Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to activate your SoFi debit card. Open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Money. At the right side of this page, you will see several options. Click on the More option. Now, you will see several tabs on the left side menu. Click on the Debit Card tab. On the Debit Card tab, you will see an Activate button. Click on the Activate button. Now, enter the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. After entering, click on Next. Next, enter your card's expiration date and the CVC located at the back of your card. Then click on the Next button. Lastly, create a 4-digit PIN. Enter it on the first and second field to confirm. After entering, click on Save. That's how you activate your SoFi debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.